Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? Okay,
you bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that eats your pain, I know.
so you guys, in today's video we are just going to be sitting down doing a quick little 20 to 30 minute makeup application. Okay, so if you are a beginner, this tutorial is for you. So as you guys can see, I didn't waste any time, we jumped right into it. The primer that I was using on my face was the e.l.f. Power Grip primer, and now we are going in with the True Complexion foundation. Y'all, this is like one of my top affordable foundations. I would get this any day. Y'all see the color matches to the T. I love it. As I am blending out my foundation, I am using tapping motions. I am not doing any swiping or anything like that. I am just buffing the foundation into my skin. Now you guys, onto concealer. The concealer that I like to use is the MAC 24-hour concealer. You guys, this concealer is so rich feeling. It is very light, it is amazing coverage, and I love it as a everyday use. Okay, it's not too thick, it's not, you know, it's perfect. So I highly recommend everyone just get into that MAC 24-hour concealer. Okay, but as you guys can see, I am not adding concealer on all of the places that I normally add them to. I am just adding it to the underneath my eye, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. And remember, we are going to be using tapping motions. Okay, y'all, that is how we want to blend out any makeup product. You guys, it is important to tap and buff out the makeup, just because you want everything to look seamless and to just look like it's where it needs to be all day, every day. You understand what I'm saying? After blending out my foundation and my concealer, I like to go in with the Morphe Continuance Setting and Prepping Spray, and I like to spray down my face, let it dry a bit, and then I like to go in and add setting powder to all the places that I just did my contouring. And that is because I do not want anything to crease or look cakey by the end of the day. You guys, when I do my makeup, I want it to last, and I have found that doing this method gives a long-lasting makeup application, and it also just helps to make everything just kind of like come together, look seamless, like skin, you know, looks so good. So yeah, y'all, this is how we doing things. You can't wear concealer and not use any settings, you know, any setting powder. So y'all, make sure y'all add in this step. Okay, it's not a, you know, it's not a crazy step, but it's a step that needs to be done. Okay, we don't want no creases. Now, if you know, you know, your girl likes to go in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I like to do my contouring with the bronzer. I like to use bronzer because it is a little more natural looking. It's less harsh, and as you can tell, it's a little bit more of my natural color. So with foundation and concealer, it kind of takes out all the curves and, you know, all of that, all the dimension out of the face. So using contouring, it just kind of puts everything, you're seeing what it does, okay? Now, if this isn't your first time on my channel, you guys know I typically go in with concealer and add it underneath my cheeks just to give my cheekbones a little bit more, I don't know, like what is the word that I'm trying to use? I don't know, to make the cheekbones, you know, pop and stuff like that. And this time we are not doing that. I wanted to just look very natural and have this be like a very everyday look, you know, like it does not matter if you're going out, wherever you're going. I just want this to be that quick 20-minute face that you just throw on, or at least that I throw on, okay? But you guys, I'm not using any more product. I'm just going in with whatever is left on that brush and just kind of going across my eyelids, dabbing whatever powder is left just to, you know, kind of soak up any oils or anything like that. And yeah, y'all, so these lashes are kind of recycled, but they're gonna go good for today. All right, and I do plan to give a more detailed tutorial on how to apply lashes, but yeah, y'all, this is what it is. I wish I knew the name of these lashes, but I don't. Unfortunately, I can never remember the name of my lashes, so y'all gotta forgive me for that. But anyways, y'all, yeah, this is pretty much the step-by-step everyday look. And if you are a girly that actually likes to go and get her lashes done, yo, you are already 10 steps ahead of the game. So that just shortens your makeup time by at least 5 more minutes, you know what I'm saying? But you guys, after I applied my lashes, I went in and just put some mascara on both the top and the bottom lashes just to give some extra flair, just like, yo, we here, okay? But y'all, this lip liner I got from Sephora. I actually think that it is more of a eyeliner, but we're going to use it as a lip liner today. It's just a brown Sephora lip liner or eyeliner, and I'm going to line my lips with it. Now, I did have a little situation. I didn't know if I wanted to go with the Fenty lip gloss. I mean, like, they're both Fenty lip glosses. I can't remember the name of each of them right now, but I ended up going with the brown one just because it was giving every day a little pop of lip, not doing too much, not doing too less, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really liked it, okay? But y'all, after I completed the face, topped it with the lip gloss and everything like that, I went in and sprayed it with the Morphe setting and prep spray one more time. And yeah, y'all, this is the look, okay? But I really hope y'all have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you can, and I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, may peace and love be multiplied. Peace, Kim folks.
Like that, you know, but I'm the one that eats your pain. I know.